Ever wonder why babies don't come with an instruction manual? Probably because they're too busy winning races before they're even born. Picture this: millions of eager sperm, each vying for the golden egg trophy. It's the grandest race of all, folks. No shortcuts, no second chances. A grueling marathon with only one victorious champion. The stakes? Life itself. The prize? A chance to grow, to thrive, to become. And just like that, we have our winner. The journey has just begun. So we've got our winner, and now it's time to get to work. Building a baby is no small feat. It's like constructing a skyscraper from a single brick. Now picture this. You've got a single brick. Your task? To build the Eiffel Tower. Sounds impossible, right? But that's essentially what's happening in the womb. From a single cell, the blueprint of an entire human being is formed. Talk about an architectural marvel. In the early stages, the cell divides, multiplies, and grows at an astonishing rate. It's as if our little brick has suddenly learnt how to clone itself, and before you know it, we've got the foundations of our skyscraper. By the end of the first month, the heart, the building's central heating system, starts to form. It's the size of a poppy seed, but already beating and pumping blood. The heart's hustle and bustle is like a construction site where everyone's got a job to do and no time to waste. By month 3, we start to see the formation of the brain, the control room of our skyscraper. This walnut-sized organ is already capable of sending signals to move muscles. It's the boss, the project manager, ensuring that all systems are up and running. Then comes the lungs, the skyscraper's ventilation system. By the end of the second trimester, they're practicing for the big debut, making breathing motions but not actually inhaling. It's like the building's ventilation system doing a dry run before the grand opening. Through all this, the mini-human is also growing its own unique features. A nose like mum's, dad's curly hair, grandma's dimples. It's the personal touches that make this skyscraper unlike any other. And then before you know it, 9 months have passed. From a single cell, we've got a fully equipped, ready-to-go mini-human, complete with its own personality, quirks, and characteristics. So in just 9 months, what started as a single cell has become a fully equipped, ready-to-go mini-human. Talk about a construction marvel. Now, our little skyscraper is almost ready for its grand opening, but there's still one more hurdle to cross: the birth. Picture this, if you will, as the final countdown to a rocket launch, where the baby is the astronaut, all suited up and ready to explore this new world. In these last few stages of pregnancy, the baby is essentially doing the last-minute checks, ensuring all systems are go. It's like the baby is going through a final rehearsal, practicing breathing, blinking, and even dreaming, all within the cozy confines of the womb. This is also the time when your baby is gaining weight, like a little sumo wrestler, packing on the pounds in preparation for the journey ahead. You might even start to feel like a walking bowling ball. But don't worry, that's completely normal. As the due date approaches, the baby will begin to move into position for the grand exit. Like a seasoned astronaut preparing for a spacewalk, the baby turns head down, readying itself for the journey down the birth canal, or as we like to call it, the launch pad. Now the final countdown begins. The contractions start, the heart rate quickens, and the anticipation builds. It might feel like a roller coaster ride, but remember, it's just the final push before the big reveal. And with a final push, our brave little astronaut is ready to embark on the greatest adventure of all: life. Well, that was quite a journey, wasn't it? From a single cell to a fully formed baby, it's nothing short of a miracle. We started with the great race of life, where millions of eager little swimmers set off on the most important race of their lives. Only one emerged victorious, setting the stage for a 9-month adventure. Then we moved on to the epic saga of growing a mini-human. It's like building a spaceship, but instead of metal and wires, we're using cells and DNA. The baby goes from a microscopic dot to a wriggling, hiccuping, thumb-sucking little person. All the while, Mom's body pulls off the equivalent of a biological magic trick. Finally, we counted down to the big arrival. The final push, if you will. It's like the grand finale of the greatest fireworks show you've ever seen. And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey of a baby. Makes you appreciate those sleepless nights a bit more, doesn't it?